Today we're going to be making a smoke alarm collection update video. I have one new alarm in this collection, but we'll get to that later. So, here's my C9120B. Unfortunately, I'm not able to test these because, well, I'm not able to test any of these because, it's early in the morning, so. But here's my BRK9120A, as you can see. Here's my Fireworks Model A. It was made in 96. I can't read those types of date codes, but yeah, it was made in 1996. And then here's my KNCOB-B-LPM. Here's my other 9120B. It's old. This was back when they had the UL listed on them, so. I have my KNCOB-B carbon monoxide alarm. Here is my I9050. Here's my HD135F. Here is my I12060A. So it's a little bit discolored, but just a tiny bit. You can't see it on camera, but it's a little bit discolored. Here's a sticker, the best by date thingy, whatever. Yeah. Here is my I9070. That was originally installed in my bedroom. And it's a little bit discolored because it was in there, but the sun was blasting on it all the time. Here's my prized possession of a smoke alarm. Here's a 1276. Yeah, in 2006. Here's my broken battery door. For 618A. I'll show you the model. There you go. These were installed in my Nana's old house. It was made in 2013, so yeah. And then the little black switch right there allows the unit to operate with the battery door closed. So I just put like a flathead screwdriver up to it and I pushed on it and I heard a click. So yeah, I got a battery in it and yeah, it worked now. And here's my other I9070 that has like kind of a broken piezo. And then here's my new alarm. Here's my new alarm. It's I1040. Yeah, hold on, I'm gonna get the mounting bracket off. Okay, so here it is with the mounting bracket off. If you would focus, there we go. But yeah, 10-year alarm, so. And from my latest video, I got the piezo onto this to kind of work, so yeah. Anyways, okay, have a good day, guys, and bye.